Today, we'll be showing you how to replace your Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor, also known as your MAP sensor. This is located in the engine bay underneath your engine cover. We're going to pull up on the front of the engine cover to release it out of the grommets. Push the engine cover back to release it from the rear grommets. Set that aside. We're going to press down on the clip on the connector. Push it back to remove it. Inspect your terminals for any corrosion. These look good. Using an 8mm, we're going to remove the bolt holding the MAP sensor in. And remove your MAP sensor. Inspect the area where the MAP sensor mounts. This looks good, so we're going to install the MAP sensor. Simply press down. We'll install the bolt back into the intake manifold. And we'll tighten that down. Press down on the sensor as you tighten it down and make sure that it's fully seated. Snug that down, but be careful not to over-tighten it. To reinstall the connector, simply push it in until you hear it click. To reinstall the engine shield, slide the engine shield forward into these, and then press down into the rubber grommets.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.